Emotional and deeply personal, that is how most officials describe the barangay elections. 5 months after the 2013 midterm polls, Filipinos again head out to vote, this time for barangay captains and those who will compose the barangay council.
Compared to national and local election, it's wider in scope. Barangays in dimension is smaller. And it's more really personal because the people involved in running are magkakapitbahay and relatives at the same time.
Violence becomes part of the dynamics in an election that pit family and friends against each other. Since the campaign period started, at least 64 election-related incidents have been tagged by police. At least 22 people died from election-related violence, a figure higher than the 2010 barangay elections. COMELEC says they expect more electoral protests to come, especially in barangays where rivalries run deep. But the problems aren't just about political conflict. It's the way the country runs elections. 70-year-old Lucila Sevilla is having a tough time making it up a flight of stairs at the Morning Breeze Elementary School in Caloocan City, where over 10,000 voters are registered. There is no special polling area for persons with disabilities or senior citizens in the school.
Hirapan talaga ako, masakit kasi nga pa ako. Hindi pa ako nakainom ng gamot. Nagboto na ako.
Forbes Park is one of the more affluent barangays in the country. It is easy for PWDs and senior citizens to vote here. An air-conditioned pavilion awaits the barangay's 4,000 or so voters, over 60% of whom are among household staff in Forbes. Board of Election tellers and canvassers expect a swift canvassing of votes. The barangay captain candidate runs unopposed, and only 11 are vying for 7 barangay council slots. But the Commission on Election has to deal with a 400 million peso shortage in funds for the deputization of the Philippine National Police, the armed forces, and teachers who serve as Board of Election tellers. But political rivalry is the last thing on Lucila's mind. She just wants a barangay captain the community can count on.
Para makatulong sa gusto kong kapitan, ganun, di ba? Sa gusto nating mayor, kung sino ang gusto natin na nakakatulong sa atin, tulungan din natin, di ba?
Barangay politics is extremely up close and personal. Still, the core issues is the candidate's ability to serve.
By day's end, the Philippines' basic unit of politics will have new leaders at their helms. Bea Cupin Rappler, Caloocan.